So what do you need to look for when you're reviewing welders? Well, you need to look for a welding certification. Now, most companies have their own internal weld certifier. They have a person who's a quality control person who it's their job to make sure that they are getting qualified welders. They perform a welding test and they sign off on a certification document that says that this person can perform the following kinds of welds. And you need to make sure that the welding types and materials are the same that you need for your project. Check the dates of the welding certifications because they do expire. Every 6 months, they're required to have what's called a continuity certificate, which means if the person is continuously welding, the certifier will issue a continuity certificate vouching basically that the person has been continuously performing this type of weld for the last 6 months. If you have a certification that is years old, and this has happened to me, ask for those continuity certs or a recertification of that welder.